Hello, in this video I'll show you how to download Play Store on Windows or Mac. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is just simply open any of your browser and search for BlueStacks. Then just simply open the first link over here. Now once you're at the home page, make sure not to click on this button. So don't click on this button and just simply go to download BlueStacks 5 over here. Then click on see all version. Now right over here, so if you're on Windows 11, just simply download the Pi 64-bit if you're running a 64-bit computer, or just simply download the 32-bit. And if you're on Mac, just simply scroll down and just simply download BlueStack 4 for macOS. As you can see right over here, you will have the option. And if any Windows users are using older than 11, just simply download the Hyper-V 64-bit one over here. For all the Windows older than Windows 11. Now it's going to be a simple setup that will be installed on your computer. So just simply download setup and complete the installation process. So the installation process might take time depending on the internet speed that you may have. So all you have to do is click on install now and complete the process. Now once the installation is complete, you should be able to see the shortcut in your desktop right over here. Or if you're unable to see that, go to the start menu and just simply search for BlueStack. And you should find BlueStack and whatever version you may have. So make sure not to open BlueStack X, just simply open BlueStack and whatever number you have. Click on open. Now, it will again take time to load, so be patient. Now, once your BlueStack is completely opened, it will look something like this. And as you can see, I already have few applications from Play Store. So to get Play Store, all you have to do is go to the system apps over here. And right over here, you should find Play Store. Click on this option and then just simply sign in with your Google account as you would do it in normal Play Store on your Android device. So just simply complete the process and sign in with your Google account. And after that, you will be able to download all the applications that you can find on your Android device, right on your laptop or Mac. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and like the video.